everyone, this is Sheshe. Welcome back to the bow series. I hope you're enjoying all the ideas I'm coming up with bows. Today we are using the big board of the alphabet punch board. Today we are making mermaid tail bow clips and I hope you like them. If you turn it this way, you can see that it makes a mermaid tail. And I just added the gold purple clips. So I'm going to get started here. What you'll need is a strip of your favorite decorative scrapbook paper, cardstock, cut at 5 inches in width by 1 inch. Alright, if you've seen my other bow tutorials, I have marked a little tiny mark right here just below the circles. There's 2 circles right here, and that helps me with my bows. Okay, so when you get started, you'll take your strip and just give it a punch on one side, flip it, punch it again on the other side. You can rotate it if you like. Give it a punch. It looks like this. Okay. Then what you will do is take your strip of cardstock. You may have to stand up if you want to punch it properly. Slide it where this line is and hold it with your thumb so it doesn't move, and give it a punch. Just like that. Then you're going to turn it and hold it with your thumb. Make sure that this end of the bow matches up with that line, and hold it and give it another punch just on the one side. This is what you will get when you are done punching. You'll need a pair of scissors, and then you want to judge right where you want your tail, because if you see on this bow it has a tail, and so I'm going to cut off like a little block about maybe an inch, a little bit over an inch, and just cut it like that. Okay, so that's how much I have left. Then I'm going to turn, stick it in between these 2 circles, and then just make sure that the bow is in the middle of the lines, and give it a punch. Okay, and there's your tail. Okay, next we are going to cut right here and right here, just like that. Okay, and then we just want to cut this little piece because we're going to form the bow on one end. I do have a little tiny strip that I am going to put in the center, and it's in gold, and it's just like 1/8 of an inch wide. Okay, so I have like a little paintbrush that I use to curl my bow. Like that. Okay, and then I'm just going to use some glue. I'm going to take my board away. I don't need it anymore. Clean up those pieces, and I'm just going to glue the bow together, and then I'm going to get me a paper clip. And Give this some glue right here. And just press this together. Now the strip does not have to be very long. I just have it long. I'm just going to wrap it around the center. And I'm going to use some hot glue. So I'm going to plug in my hot glue gun to glue the paper clip together. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to glue the center. I just start like right at the end and give it just a little bit of glue, like so. Press that down, and then take this piece and wrap it around. So I'll just give it a little bit more glue right here. And then you just take some scissors and snip off what you don't need. So I just bend that back and cut off what I don't need. Press that down. This is what I have. And then I just get my paper clip, and I want my bow to go that way. So I'm just going to turn it so that it goes that direction. And I'm going to give it some hot glue. Oh, and I need a piece to go on the back. So I have this little circle, and I'm going to cut it in half so that it doesn't show. So it looks like that, just so that it, you know, covers up the back of the paper clip. So I'm just going to give it some glue for the paper clip to sit in. Press that down like that so that it holds, and then I'm just going to cover the back of the hot glue with that. Alright, and then there is your bow, your mermaid tail bow. Let's have a little bit peeping out. Okay, so there you have it, the mermaid tail bow. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial with the alphabet punch board. And then here's the blue one. This is how they look. Really easy to make and really cute. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me. Take care, share this with your friends. Have a fabulous day.